Hi, and welcome to my 14-day fluency course. My name is Joel, and over the next 2 weeks I will be your teacher. I wanted to make this video today to try and answer some of the questions that you might have. So, let's have a look at some of these questions. The first question is, what is this course? In my job, I often meet students that have very good vocabulary and grammar skills, but their speaking is poor. This is because both grammar and vocabulary can be learned, but speaking cannot. Speaking must be practiced. Over the next 14 days, we will be looking at 14 different topics. We'll be practicing on how to speak about these topics fluently. This course is not designed to teach you a lot of vocabulary or to even teach you grammar. Remember that this course is designed to get you speaking to improve your fluency. However, each day I will be giving you 8 different vocabulary related to the topic that you can use in your speech. The next question is this course difficult? I think the answer really depends on your English level. If we can have a look at this chart, we can see that this course is suitable for both intermediate and upper intermediate students. These are students that can get an IELTS score of 5.5 to 6.5 or a TOEFL score of about 70 to 90. Now, it's important to understand that even if you are not at this level, or even if you are higher than this level, this course can still be beneficial. My suggestion would be just try it. The next question is, how will this course be structured? Each day there will be 4 videos. The first video will show 8 vocabulary related to the topic. The second video will show me making a speech using the vocabulary about the topic. The third video will give you a chance to make a speech about the topic. And the fourth video will be a dictation test, a vocabulary review, where I will say the word and you will write the word down. The next question is, can you explain the speech? In video 2, you will see me make a speech about the topic. In video 3, I will give you a chance to make the speech. The speech only has to be about 30 seconds to 1 minute long. There are some rules though. First of all, you cannot say or any of these kinds of interjections. It's important that you speak continuously. This is a fluency course, so speaking fluently is important. If you do make a mistake, it's completely okay. Just stop your speech, go back, take a couple of seconds to rethink your speech, and then start again. It's important that you keep on going until you can pass the 30-second mark. Like I said before, you don't need to speak for 5 minutes. 1 minute is okay. Also, each day will give you some time to prepare. The time will vary. As the course progresses, it gets more difficult as there is less time to prepare. The next question is, how much time do I need to spend? My suggestion would be that you spend between half an hour to 1 hour studying. In terms of the videos only have between 10 minutes and 15 minutes of viewing time. But you do need to make a speech, and I do suggest that you review the vocabulary throughout the course. The next question is, what do I need? And I can think of 3 things. First of all, you need some paper and a pen so that you can write down vocabulary throughout the course. And also some kind of watch, timer, maybe your smartphone, so that you can time your speech. next question is, what can I do if I don't understand something? If you don't understand something, ask. Post a question in the comments section and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, I think I've answered most of the questions, but if you do have another question, please post it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I look forward to seeing you in the first official day of the 14-day fluency course. Bye.